Hello, today I'm going to show you how I build my personal go-to-market engine OS that is cheaper than Clay, cheaper than Instantly, and we are going to see it. Please stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you where you're going to get the template, the full template of this powerful engine that is going to generate lead for you, enrich the lead for you, qualify the lead for you, write personalized email for you, and then send it over through Instantly. So this is a great powerful tool. Please stick to the end. I'm going to show you a demo. I'm going to give you some explanation, cost analysis, and I'm going to give you the place where you're going to get this template all for free. Let's get started. So let me just do a little bit representation about the engine. So here we have Airtable. This is our front end of the engine. So this is where everything is happening. This is where we are handling everything. You don't have, as soon as this template is set up, it's just ready to go. You don't have to go to n8n and check everything. It's just easy to set up. And because all we have here to do is that we have the setup campaign. The setup campaign starts with the API setup, where you put all the APIs key that we are going to be using: Amplify, Enable, GenAI, Instantly, and Perplexity. Then you have the agency setup, because to launch a campaign, you need to know which launching the campaign. For example, to create an agency, you just create a form here, you put the name, the logo, and you put all the APIs keys of that agency they are going to be using. Then you have email, Instantly email account, all the Instantly email account that you have in your Instantly account. Let me just show you directly what I'm talking about. To run an email campaign, you need to have emails account that are going to be used for your campaign. Then we have the agent setup. Who are working inside the agency? The people working at the agency can easily create an agent. Just select the name of the agency for which the agent is working, and then put the name, put the picture of the agent. That will be nice. Put the position, the role that's going to be used in the cold email, because by sending the cold email, you're going to know is Ruben that is sent the cold email and is working at this position, and that is the role at this company. Then you have the IG client profile setup. That is where you set up all the clients. So you can actually see various IG client profiles that are set up here. And then how it works is that you just provide this title, the company size, the keyword, the industry, the location, the score, and everything. And then what it does is that it's going to generate an Apollo search link URL that is going to open directly the profile for you. Then you have an example of the list that is being generated here. Then what it does is that we have next a campaign setup. We set up the campaign. To set up a campaign, you just need to specify who is the agent running the campaign, what is the ID client profile, might be one of the lists that was generated previously, and then give the campaign name, the description, and then all this information are going to be used for Instantly for running the campaign. And when it's done, trigger and create a campaign, and the campaign is going to be created directly to Instantly. Let's do a test here and just see directly what I'm talking about here. Let me select the name, and then select this demo CEO. Then okay, let me just give a name to the campaign. Let me just say test YouTube campaign, and we are going to see this campaign being created directly inside Instantly. Let's come to our Instantly. You're going to see all the campaign. There's not yet any name that I just inserted. Let me just refresh here so you can actually see what's happening. Yeah, so we don't have yet any campaign. Then we are going to have this campaign up here. Let me just put it in the description here. So let me put a schedule name. Let me put testing, and then let me put a end date. Let me put any date. I'm going to which day we want the campaign to run, the time zone, and everything. And then the data limit. Let me say I want to send 100 emails per day, and then let's say trigger, and then let's say create the campaign, and let's wait. And behind the scene is an n8n workflow that is going behind, and what it does is that it's going to run an automation behind inside n8n that is going to go and create the campaign within Instantly. And by the time now, I'm sure it's already completed. Yes, 3. That is the current time in my computer. Let's see the automation open, and then you're going to see how it has run. And I'm sure already the campaign is being created already. And then, dun dun dun, voila! Test YouTube campaign. The campaign has been created. And then the campaign creator, you can actually see all the information about the schedules and all the, you can, if the email is already sent and did already happen, you can see the previews of the emails added. Then let's go back to our automation and see how which part of the automation was responsible to create the campaign. It's at the top from here. So let's go up there. We are going to see, is it request email is a confirmation, size it, create campaign, instantly campaign. So the campaign was created and an ID was provided, and you can actually see that if you go to your Airtable, you're going to see test YouTube campaign created, and you're going to see this ID that was provided, the same very ID that was provided. Then when you create a campaign, what you do is that you have to generate the lead. What it does is that it's going to go and scrape leads on Apollo. There's one actor that we use on Apollo that's going to scrape the lead. That's this actor, an Apollo scraper, scrape up to 50k leads, and it's going to scrape leads on Apollo and generate thousands of leads, and then put them inside your engine. And then when it's put inside your engine, then you can see the lead flow or the scraping that was done, and then you can see the list of unverified emails. Because to send emails to a lead, you have to make sure that those leads are deliverable, and then to do that, you are going to have a deliverability check set up. Then all the emails are going to run through a platform that is called Email. Email is a platform that allows you to verify the deliverability of all the emails before you send them, before you put them inside a campaign. And then later we have a lead verifier, or the list of the list of the lead verified. Can actually see the result, all the emails that can be deliverable, and then you move to the enrichment setup. All this is part of a long time system that has been profiled and building, where we start the lead generation, lead qualification, lead enrichment, lead personalization, and then instantly campaign. So the process starts with what we have, a lead profile. What is my ICP? What is I generate my lead, I qualify the lead and enrich the lead. I'll write an AI personalization email, I send the campaign, I have the campaign follow up, and I have the reply follow up, and I have my meeting proposal sent already to the lead that booked the meeting with me and want to work with me. Then so that's the enriched list. All the enrichment part is about scraping the lead website. I have information about the website summary, the latest LinkedIn post, the LinkedIn profile summary. And then we have information about the company latest news, any news about the company that was published recently. Did they have a fundraise? If they have something like that, that would be great. You can use it in the email personalization. Now it's time to do the email personalization. The rule setup. You need to have to provide what are the rules that you want the email personalization to follow. Maybe you have a blog that has given advice how to provide the best email personalization. So you provide a link here to this form that is going to tell the agency what is my associated lead list, and then you give the URL advice, provide the source and trigger, and it's going to scrape. There's one n8n automation that's going to do the job for you. Then you go to launch personalization. Then is where the personalization is launched. Is where the personalization is launched, and you have all the email sequence written for you. You don't have to do anything, just all do for you, and then just all is done for you. You just have to do much things, everything is just done for you. And then you have the personalized list that is done also. Then you have all the emails that have been personalized. You can open them, you can remake them. If you don't like them, you can put the remake idea. If you don't like the email result, and you can just remake them. And then you move now to instantly campaign. You can push now the lead list to instantly campaign. You just create this form and select the associated lead list, the campaign that was created, and just push and create the lead list. And then you add now the lead to the campaign. And that when it's done, it's completed, the campaign is ready to go, and then you can go and look for your analytics as soon as you launch campaign. Now let's go to what is about our n8n automation. So we are not going to go deeper inside because it's going to take a very long video, but I have a whole video in my community. I'm going to explain how you are going to set up this n8n for you and this Airtable. You can have the n8n and Airtable template for free, but inside my community I have all the explanation how to set it up, and it's a paid community. And if you want me to set up this automation for you, there's a link where inside my community you can have access to me when I'm going to set up this all for you. And if you want any special modification, it can also be done for you. Then this automation is divided in various parts. You have what is called the agency enrichment, where you provide all the information about your agency, and this workflow is going to scrape your website and make a business summary. And you have Apollo Search URL. This is the Apollo Search URL generator part of the workflow. And you have a request email. This part is actually, there's a mistake here on the title. It's actually in charge of getting, yes, requesting the email list. That's correct. Requesting the email list, actually getting the email account that is inside your instance to use inside your campaign. And this actually part of the workflow is actually to create an instant campaign. And this part of the workflow is actually to scrape Apollo and create a lead list. And then this part is actually to verify all the lead emails before we push them instantly. All the emails that are not deliverable are not going to be pushed to instantly. And then we have the lead list. And the lead list is actually the lead list enrichment. So you are going to scrape their website, scrape their LinkedIn post, do a research online. This is a website scraper. You use Dina. Dina is actually a good scraper that we actually use to do this all the scraping. Let's continue. And then we have another part of the workflow that can actually redo the scraping in case something was not actually gotten properly, and you can relaunch them for each lead. Okay, then we have scrape blog article to get rules. So you can provide a blog article to provide the AI assistant to write the emails according to the template that you like. And then you have the cold email writer. So this is actually the assistant that is responsible to write the emails and write the email sequence. And this actually the assistant that is in charge to remake the emails in case you don't like the emails that was created. And then this is a workflow that is actually there to create instantly lead list and add lead to instantly. And this one is actually to move lead list to campaign. And then this one is actually there to actually get instantly campaign analytics. Okay, so it's actually all the workflow, and this actually your engine interface, and you have in the backend your n8n workflow that is connected. So let's actually see what I was talking about the summary of what is actually the cheapest. So I went to Gemini and then I told him I want to have a comparative cost analysis of lead generation and enrichment, verification and personalization from 10,000 leads for Clear.com and then for instantly and for my engine, and it comes out the result was really astounding. And then I have the solutions. Okay, this is summary cost comparison for 10,000. So for Clear.com it's going to cost you $9 per month. For instantly.ai is going to cost you $338 per month. And then for my custom AI Power Engine is going to cost you $408 per month. And let's read the conclusion. The conclusion is saying that, in conclusion, why instantly offer the most cost-effective solution for the specified 10,000 lead requirement, particularly for its bundle lead acquisition and integrated personalization. Its black box nature regarding comprehensive enrichment data point warrants careful consideration. The custom AI-powered GTM engine, despite its higher initial setup and ongoing maintenance demand, provides unparalleled control. So if you are looking for control, transparency, and granular cost optimization for specific tasks, is highly competitive alternative. Clear.com, while powerful for flexible data flow, proves to be the most expensive for this high volume. So if you want to use this tool and have control, and you can launch it anytime. So all the most important cost here is actually the cost on n8n on Airtable. That is the cost that you have to pay per month. The other APIs are not monthly pay. You just recharge and pay as you use. So thank you guys, and been spending time on watching this video, and I'm going to provide the link on my YouTube. So I think let me just give you where you're going to get the YouTube link of to get the template. So you're going to come to my YouTube channel, and there's going to be go to my website. Okay, to have the access to the template, you can join my community, or you can come here to the blog. I'll add the workflow here. I'll add the template where you can download the template, or you can just directly come to my Gumroad. I need to provide a link. Just that my YouTube channel does not yet allow me to put link inside my YouTube. Okay, so that's why I need a way. I need you to subscribe. I need you to give support, so that this channel is going to be able to put links already. I'm going to provide. So this actually this free access to the AI power GTM engine OS. So it's actually free. Okay, so you just need to have access to this link. So I'm going to provide access to this link inside my website. So please come to my website and come to this blog. It's not yet added. By the time I will publish this video, I think I will add this before. Then you can have access to my pay community. It's a pay community where you're going to have access to me to be able to set up this template. Actually, you have video that's going to help you to set up it yourself. Then if you want me to do it for you, we have a special discount price for members of the community. Thank you guys for watching this video, and sorry for my English pronunciation. My English is my second language. And then I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next video. I'm going to share more about this engine, more about how you can build it maybe on yourself, and I have a lot of more engine are coming. I think my next engine is going to be Sales Navigator, how to generate it from Sales Navigator and launch instantly campaign, or even LinkedIn DM campaign, and even launch. I'm thinking there's another engine that's coming, that's LinkedIn automation, LinkedIn content automation engine that's also coming. So please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of great things ahead. Thank you very much.